Hello, welcome and welcome back. This is the final part of our video series on how to cut and sew well-fitted female trousers. This video will focus on how to sew our already cut female pants. If you have not seen the video, you should check the description box on how to cut it before you continue with this. The first thing we'll be doing is joining the pocket back to the pocket opening we made earlier. We added paper stitch to the side to this same line so as to stabilize it. It is advisable that you top stitch the line so that the pocket bag will stay in place and not keep popping out on the right side. And that's what I just did. Now I'm securing the pockets on the front trouser piece so that they will stay in place and lay flat. This will ensure that the pocket relaxes well on the body when worn. Next, we'll join the front crotch, and that's what I just did. The back has a dart, so we'll have to sew the dart line on both sides of the pants and also join the back crotch. If you have gotten this far in this video, then I'm sure you must have gotten value from the video. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to this channel if you want to continue getting tips and tricks like this to make your sewing better. Also share to others to benefit from it. Kindly subscribe to this channel if you are passionate about making your sewing easier and your fashion designing business better. It actually costs nothing, but then you have so much to gain from subscribing. Thanks for subscribing to my channel. Be sure to press the crotch open. I'm going to do that off camera. Now we are back from ironing. It's now time to join our inseam. To get a neat finishing, it is better to match the crotch joining of the back and that of the front together and then sew from that crotch point to the hem. What I mean is that you don't start sewing from one hem of the inseam to the other, but you start from the midpoint, which is the where the crotch meets, to the end of the hem. What this will do is that it will allow your crotch area to relax when the front crotch matches the back crotch. After joining the inseam, you can now join your side seam with your desired sewing allowance. I did that off camera. Now it's time for us to join our band. Remember, place the right side of your band to the right side of the fabric. We'll be using the folded part of the band. You remember we folded a part of that band when we were cutting it and we weaved the other parts. So we are placing the folded part of that band on the right side of our trousers. If you have forgotten, you can go back to the cutting video here and use the chapters in the description box to jump to the band cutting part. That will help you to remember what we have done and then use it here. Finish off the edges of the band like so and top stitch on the right side, and our trousers is ready for zip. I made a detailed video on how to fix this zip here, so you should go see it. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope this video has been of help. I'll be glad to answer any question you might have in the description box. Kindly share your project with me on my Facebook page. I will also link that below. And until I come your way again, my name is Sarah and this is Princess Fashion.